For this video I will be going through my expansion of my framework and how it improves upon the project. So for my expansion I have done a offline editor for a solar system, which allows you to create the solar system, set up the hierarchy for the spheres and the application properties itself, such as resolution, frame rate and length. So if I just started up now, it's met with a blank bit here for the solar system creation. So I can add a new sphere and say call it the sun. So because I've done a hierarchy for my planets or moons, this is a node based tree, so a node based tree must have a root node. So for this I am putting my sun as my root node. I can increase or decrease the radius and increase or decrease the rotation speed. We can alter the colour and make it yellow. We can also alter the position of the sphere itself. So if I add another sphere now, show an example of the parent-child system, call it Earth, alter its radius a bit, increase its rotation speed a bit, and make it green perhaps, and put it in a more suitable place. I can then assign its parent to be the sun, and this begins the creation of the hierarchy. So I'm just going to create for this video a simple solar system, and for the purposes of time I'm just going to speed up this section. Okay, so I've just created a simple solar system here. Now that we've created our solar system, another thing we can do is edit the direction. This direction here is what is used during the when the ray tracer is ran in release mode. So we can set this to whatever we want, as long as it is an existing folder, and the ray tracer shall output to that. So we can change application resolution as well as the frame rate and the length. So I'll make it 10 seconds, 60 fps and 1920 by 1080. We can then export this as an XML to whichever file path we choose, and save. This file will then be picked up automatically by the ray tracer when it is executed, and for the purposes of saving time I'm going to speed up this section. As the video comes to an end, I'll just show that it has outputted to the directory that we chose, is here, and just show that it has reciprocated the scene that we set up within the expansion of the framework in the offline editor. So as some final notes on the offline editor's capabilities, so another feature that my framework expansion can handle is the importing of past setups, such as one we just created, or another example here. So if I just import this here, another feature is the deletion of the spheres. So the deletion of the spheres is different in mine, in that it restructures the hierarchy to handle the deletion of one of the parents. So for instance, if Earth is deleted, its parent, the sun, will inherit children, these two moons, and their respective children as well. So delete it. Due to deletion of the sphere Earth, its parent, sun, is inherited the following children. Another bit is just a bit of validation on root spheres, is that because mine always requires a root sphere to be in the setup, it will not allow you to export an XML without first setting up a root sphere. So for example, I'll just use this simple one here. If I get rid of the root sphere and try to export, say please create at least one root sphere.